Welcome to the future of heavy lift. This is the CH-53K King Stallion, and as you can see, it's being built by the most advanced robotics in the world. This isn't just an upgrade. The CH-53K King Stallion is the most powerful helicopter the Marine Corps has ever operated.
This is where monsters are made.
Okay, harness 3 is clipped in.
Confirmed. Diagnostics are showing green on the stabilization matrix.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more centimeters. Copy that, 5 centimeters.
We are clear on the forward mount. Roger, steady as she goes.
Engine parameters are nominal. Hydraulic pressure stable.
Confirmed. Beginning tail rotor pitch check.
The scan shows perfect symmetry.
Excellent. The alignment is confirmed.
Finalizing pitch stabilization.
Confirmed. All parameters within tolerance.
Executing sequence.
Torque is holding steady at 9 to 5%.
Deflection readings match the model within tolerance.
There it is, starboard side connection point.
Confirmed. Applying sealant now.
Injection complete. Ensure a tight seal on the rod.
Applying the high-strength adhesive now. Align the bracing carefully.
Okay, the scan shows a clear hot spot right here on the composite.
Got it. I'll mark the area now so we can prep it for the bonder.
Failsafe modules engaged, backup power is online, systems check, all parameters nominal, redundancy confirmed.
Power with a purpose. Witness raw force turned into flight.